Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, how are you? I hope all of you good. Students, in this session we discuss complete concept of chapter rational number class 7 mathematics. So guys, are you ready? Then start the session. In this session we discuss first introduction, then rational number, properties of rational number. Now next, standard form of the rational number. Next, absolute value, representation of the rational number in number line, then comparing the rational number. Okay, in the next class we cover the brain teaser. Okay, first introduction. Okay, before start the rational number, you should understand what is natural number, then whole number, then integer, then we know about rational number. Okay, first natural number. Natural number is denoted by the capital N. Okay, and all the counting number, that is 1, 2, 3 are called the natural number, and the smallest natural number is 1, and the greatest natural number we cannot find. Understand? Now next, when we add 0 by 0 with all natural number is known as whole number, and a whole number is denoted by W. Okay, now integer, all the whole number with negative number. Okay, all the whole number with negative number is known as integer, and it is denoted by Z. Okay, now means all whole number and the number and they are the opposite, that is plus 1, plus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0 are known as integer. Clear? Now next, rational number. Okay, means any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q are integer are called rational number. Okay, means 3 by 8 is a rational number, minus 4 by 5 is also a rational number, only 2 is a rational number, and minus 5 is a rational number, 0 also a rational number, and 0 by 5 is a rational number, but 5 divided by 0 is not a rational number because the condition is not satisfied. The rational number in the form of the P by Q, but Q is not equal to 0, but here Q is equal to 0, that's why it is not a rational number. Understand? Now, state whether the following statement are true. If not, then justify your answer. First, every whole number is a natural number. Okay, false, because in whole number there is 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, but in natural number only 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. Yes or no? Means every whole number, means every whole number is 0 BFC, means 0 is a natural number? No, that's why the statement is false. Okay, now next, 2i. Every natural number is integer. Yes, because natural number are 1, 2, 3, and integer is 1, 2, 3, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, then 0. That's why all the 1, 2, 3 are in the integer. That's why it is correct or true. Okay, now option number, question number 3. Every integer is a whole number? No, because in integer there is negative, but in whole number there is no negative number. That's why it is false. Now, every integer is a rational number? Yes, true. Okay, IB is true, because integer is plus 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2. Okay, and a rational number, all the integer are rational number. Okay, because in rational number plus 0, minus, and P by Q wala, that is 2 by 3, 5 by 4, all are rational number. Clear? Now, every rational number is a fraction? No, false, because fraction is always positive. Okay, fraction is always positive and a part of whole, and part of whole means, suppose 2 by 3 is a fraction, but 2 is not a fraction. Okay, and minus 2 by 3 is not a fraction. That's why every rational number are not fraction, but every fraction is a rational number. This is true. Clear? Okay, also you remember all natural number are whole number and all whole number are integer and all integer are rational number. Okay, jodi ame reverse asiba eta false hejo, means all rational number are integer, no. All integer are whole number, no. All whole number are natural number, no. Clear? Now next question, that is rational number. This is the definition: any number that can be expressed in the form of the p by q, where p and q are integer and the q is not equal to 0. Okay, this is known as rational number. Okay, rational number are the two types, one is positive, another is negative. Then remember, every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number is need not be a fraction, because minus 4 by 7 are not the fraction, 0 by 3 also is not a fraction. All the integer are rational number. Integer minus 50, 15, 0 can be written as this. That's why all the integer are rational number. Okay, already move explain kari sarchi. Next concept, that is properties of rational number. First property, the two rational number p by q and r by s are said to be equivalent, then equal to p into s is equal to q into r. Okay, now property 2, p by q of the rational number and m be any integer different from the 0, then we can write p by q into, we can multiply m with both numerator and the denominator. Okay, now property 3, if p by q is a rational number and m is a common divisor of the p and q, then we can write p divided by m, q divided by m, means we can any integer with multiply ame kari pariba both side re, either ame division kari pariba both side re. Okay, this is the property number 2 and 3. Now example 1, so that 4 by minus 7 and 8 by minus 14 are equivalent rational number. How to show? Now first we multiply cross, that is 4 into minus 14, that is minus 56, 8 into minus 7 also minus 56, hence these are equivalent rational number. Okay, now example 2, 5 by 18 and minus 15 by 24 are not equivalent rational number. How to check? Now first we multiply 5 into 25, that is 120, then 8 into minus 15, that is minus 120. 120 and minus 120 are not equal, that's why these are not the equivalent rational number. Okay, now example 5, minus 21 divided by 49 is equal to, find the denominator as 7. How to solve? Now 49 ame kon na divides kari pariba kete na 7. Also we can divide with the same number 7 with numerator, because in property 3 we remember any integer we can divide both numerator and denominator. That's why when we divide 7 with numerator, the answer will be minus. The answer is minus 3 by 7. Okay, next, standard form of the rational number. What is standard form? Then rational number p by q is said to be standard form if q is in positive. First concept is q must be positive, means denominator must be positive, and the integer p and q have the highest common factor is 1, means कोथ से divisible ही पर means like 2 by 3, means 2 by 3 जब हमें divide करिबा divide होगा. Suppose मैं कभी 4 by 6 अगर मैं divide करिबी 2 2 जा 2 3 जा means एटा divide ही जाउची, माने this is the standard form. Okay, first minus ऊपर थिबा दरकार, नले माने denominator must be plus, okay, by positive, and the highest common factor is 1. Okay, now here is denominator kon achi na minus. First we multiply 16 divided by minus 24 is equal to 16 into minus 1 is equal to minus 24 into minus 1. Can we minus 1 multiply kale? Because to make the denominator as positive. That's why this is 24, this is minus 16. Okay, first step is complete. Step number 1. Now step number 2. Now SCF, find the SCF. SCF by highest common factor must be 1. SCF of 16 and 24 is equal to 16, 24, 2 8 jar, 2 12 jar, 2 4 jar, 2 6 jar, 2 2 jar, 2 3 jar, 2 2 jar 4, 2 jar 8. The SCF is 8. Now divide 16 divided by 8 with 24 divided with 8. Now minus 2 divided by 3. So answer will be minus 2 by 3. Okay. Or you can directly simplify as 16 by minus 24. If any one mark the question thiba, how to solve? Now see first minus 16 by 24. Now cancel. 2 4 4 4 ja 16, 4 6 ja. Now 4 2 2 ja 2 3 ja means minus 2 by 3. Clear? Next, express this in the standard form. Okay. First, we write down minus 22 divided by minus 55 into minus 1 because to make the denominator positive is equal to 22 divided by 55. Any doubt? Now find the SCF. Now SCF of 22 and 55 is equal to 11. Okay, find out 22 comma 55. 11 2 ja, 11 5 ja. So SCF is 11. Now 22 divided with 11 divided by 55 divided with 11. Now 2 divided by 5. So answer is 2 by 5. Okay. Now find x such that the rational number in each of the following pair are equivalent. How to solve? Equivalent means we can write x by 12 equal to 5 by 6. Any doubt? Now that implies x into 6, equivalent means we can find the x value, then cross multiply x into 6 is equal to 5 into 12. Now solve value of x is equal to 5 into 12 divided by 6. Now cancel 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 6, 12, that is 5 2 ja 10. So x value is 10. Okay. Now question number 2i. First we can write down 15 by x is equal to minus 3 by 8 because here is rational number are equivalent. Now cross multiply 15 into 8 is equal to minus 3 into x. Now find out x is equal to 15 into 8 divided by minus 3. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. Now 5 4 5 ja 40. Sorry, 8 5 ja 40. This is minus. So x equal to minus 40. Next question number 3. Check whether the following rational number are standard form or not. Okay. First is minus 3 by 19. Yes, standard form. Now question number 2i. 4 by minus 7 is not a standard form because negative is in denominator. We convert denominator as positive. That's why minus 4 by 7 or multiply with minus 1 in both sides. Standard form. Next, question number 3i. 14 by 35. Okay, first find out SCF or directly we cancel 7 2 ja, 7 5 ja, that is answer is 2 by 5. This is standard form. Okay, now if you can solve by SCF method, okay, standard form. Now next, IV 8 divided by minus 72. That's why first we convert 8 into minus 1, then minus 7 to minus 1, now minus 8 by 72. then HCF, or directly we cancel 8 1 ja 8 9 ja, so answer will be minus 1 by 9. Okay, next, absolute value of the rational number. Next concept is absolute value. First, you remember the sign of the absolute value is double vertical line, and the absolute value of every rational number other than 0 is positive. The absolute value of 0 is 0 itself. Absolute value of rational number is greater than or equal to the number itself. What is the meaning? Means, suppose absolute value of 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. Okay, but absolute value of 2 minus 2 by 3 is only 2 by 3. Means, in this case the absolute value are equal, but in this case the absolute value is greater than. That's why absolute value of any rational number either greater than or equal to. Clear? Now find all the rational number whose absolute value is 2 by 5. Okay, we can say 2 by 5, the absolute value is also 2 by 5. Okay, again minus 2 by 5, absolute value is 2 by 5. Yes or no? Or 2 by minus 5, absolute value is also 2 by 5. Similarly, minus 2 divided by minus 5, absolute value is also 2 by 5. Yes or no? Means the absolute value of 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 2 by minus 5 minus 2 by minus 5 is 2 by 5. Similarly, 2i 0 by 5, absolute value is 0, or 0 by minus 6, absolute value is 0. Okay, similarly you can write the value, absolute value the number whose absolute value is 3 by 4. First is 3 by 4, second is minus 3 by 4, third is minus 3 by minus 4, fourth is 3 by minus 4. Okay, representation of the rational number on a number line. This is important. Okay, so how to solve? The simplify method. Suppose, always remember, any proper rational number, proper rational number lies always 0 to 1. Okay, this is a positive view of 0 to 1, negative 0 to minus 1. Manuela, now suppose 2 by 3. Okay, represent this rational number on number line. First we draw the number line, that is 0. Then how to solve? Now here denominator is 3. Now convert 1, 2, 3. 3 means 1. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 means 2. Means denominator जेतिकी थिबो सेतिटा places आमे divide करिबा, then number को आमे put करिबा, that is 0, 1, 2. Here numerator is 2. That's why for count 1, 2. So answer is 2 by 3 is, here is 2 by 3. Okay, similarly minus 3 by 5. First we draw a number line. Okay, this is 0, here is 5, so write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jodi 5 above, this is minus 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 2. Okay, now count the numerator 3, 1 number, 2 number, 3. So answer will be minus 3 by 5. Okay, similarly 2i. First draw a number line, then 2 by minus 3. Okay, this is 0. Here denominator is 3. Now divide 1, 2, 3. 3 means 1, sorry, minus 1. 1, 2, 3. This is minus 2. Count 2. 1 2 तो आंसर इज 2 by minus 3. Here is 2 by minus 3. Okay. Similarly, question number 3. First, draw the number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jodi 4 above, it is 1. Again 4 packet 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2. Okay. Now count numerator, that is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So answer is here is 3 by 4. Okay. Now minus 4 by 7. Okay. First draw a number line. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jod 7 of us, it is 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Clear? Now 4. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is minus 4 by minus 7. Also, it is a positive rational number. Minus 4 by 7, we can write only 4 by 7. Clear? Understand? Now, comparing the rational number. Okay. Compare the rational number. First is minus 4 by 9. Second is 5 by minus 6. First, convert into standard form. Okay. Here is standard form, but here is not standard form. So write down minus 4 by 9. Here is minus 5 by 6. This is standard form. Okay. Now multiply 4c minus 4 into 6. Again multiply 9 into minus 5 plus multiply 6 4 ja 24 minus 24. Then 9 5 ja 45, that is minus 45. So now which one is greater? That is first one is greater, because in negative number the smallest is greater. So write down minus 4 by 9 is greater than 5 divided by minus 6. Okay. Compare minus 5 by 7 and 4 by minus 9. First convert into standard form, that is minus 5 by 7, that is minus 4 by 9. This is standard form. Okay. Now multiply, cross multiply, that is minus 5 into 9 is equal to minus 45 minus 28. Which one is greater? Now minus 20 is greater, 28 is greater. That's why write down minus 5 by 7 less than 4 by minus 9. Okay, completed. तो सेशन केमती लगिला, जदि सेशन भल लगे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी, बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर दब, जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करी फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिवो. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लास रे देखा हबो. थैंक यू.